Hi, and welcome to At Home with Anita Rosner. If you are hosting Thanksgiving dinner this year, this is the one and only video you need to watch because I'm going to show you how to host the perfect Thanksgiving dinner and teach you the skill that is the undoing of most home cooks, and that is how to get all the food out at the same time at the right temperature. Okay, I'm not cooking in this video, but, if you look down in the description, I have links to all kinds of Thanksgiving side dishes, an appetizer, dessert. Look no further, it's all below. So this really is the only video you need this Thanksgiving. One-stop shopping. People say, Thanksgiving's really not about the food. It's about families coming together in gratitude, to which I say, is it? Because a lot of people prepare for days to enjoy that Thanksgiving dinner. They spend 3 days drinking water and eating salad because they know on Thanksgiving they're going to overindulge and bust their calorie budgets, and you better make that meal worth it. So it's very important that the food be great. Now, why is it important that all the food come out at the same time and it all be at the proper temperature? Let me just paint a picture for you. When I sit down to eat at a dinner, I look at what's on the table before me and I plan my plate. So I want my plate predominantly to be vegetables, and then my protein and my starches and carbs. You might think this is weird, but I happen to know that a lot of people eat this way. They want to load up on the veggies so that they don't go crazy. Okay, so I'm sitting at the table and I see what is being offered. They start passing the food. Okay, so here's the turkey. That's my protein. What else is coming? Oh, green bean casserole. Not my favorite, but I see that is the only not starchy vegetable being offered. So I load my plate up with that. Oh, what's this? What do we have here? Oh, this is the sweet potato casserole covered in marshmallows that nobody over the age of 7 really thinks is that good of an idea, but that's my starch. So that goes on the plate. And, oh, a dinner roll. It's Thanksgiving. Let's splurge a little. I'll take a dinner roll. Okay, so there's my meal. I'm committed to it. Just as I'm about ready to eat, the host goes in the kitchen and comes back out with my very favorite thing of all time, cranberry cornbread. I've already taken that stupid little roll. I can't put it back. That's rude. They don't have a dog, so I can't slip it under the table, so no cranberry bread for me this year. And then, to make matters worse, they bring out Brussels sprouts. The beautiful, beautiful roasted Brussels sprouts and stuffing. I don't know about you, but to me, stuffing is the center of the Thanksgiving universe, around which every other food orbits. Well, there's no room on my plate for these, so I don't get that either. And that is why it is important for all the food to come out at the same time. Now let me show you how to do it. You have to come up with a menu and write it down, because on the day with all the hustle and bustle of kids running around and all that good familial love, you're going to forget to serve some things, and you're going to find them a month from now in the back of your refrigerator, which does nobody any good. So write down your menu plan. You must prepare your sides no more than 3 days in advance, but in advance just the same. You don't want to do anything on the actual day itself except roast that turkey. That is very important. So your side dishes are in the fridge. Your turkey is as close to room temperature as you can get it. It probably has to sit out for about an hour or two. Your oven is preheated. It's time to put it in the oven. For this exercise, we're going to pretend we're roasting a 12-pound turkey. A turkey that is not stuffed must roast for 13 minutes per pound. If it is stuffed, it's 15 minutes per pound. So we're going to say that our 12-pound turkey is not stuffed. So 13 times 12 equals 156, divided by 60 equals 2.60. So let's say that's 2 hours and 40 minutes. But at 2 hours and 40 minutes, your turkey may be out of the oven, but it is not done, because then it has to rest for another 20 minutes, and then you have to carve it. So you figure, all told, 3 hours from start to finish. So you start working backwards. Whatever time you want to eat, you subtract 3.5 hours from that, because you know you're not going to get that turkey in the oven on time. Then what you do, you put the turkey in the oven. You set an alarm that's going to go off 45 minutes before the turkey is done, because at that point you're going to take your sides out of the fridge and sit them out and let them temper to room temperature. The minute that turkey comes out of the oven, you reduce the heat to 320, 325, put the sides in the oven, let the turkey rest. By the time the turkey has rested, your sides will be heated through and ready to serve. While you're carving the turkey, this is where you enlist some help. You're carving, your cohorts are plating the sides. And when you put them out, remember to put out a serving utensil, please. I beg of you. There is no sadder sight than watching mashed potatoes congeal while somebody runs around looking for a spoon. No. So let's review. Make your meal plan. You make your sides ahead. You calculate your roasting time. You remove your sides 30 to 45 minutes before your turkey is done. And while you're carving, your loved ones are helping to plate your side dishes. Then everything goes out at the same time. It's all hot. You're going to hear oohs and ahs and yummy sounds coming from around the table. And honey, that is the only validation you're going to get for standing at that stove for 3 days. So enjoy it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, become a subscriber, and leave a comment for me. I love to hear from you. Join me again next time here at home with Anita Rosner. I'm gonna go eat now.